How to shop on Nike website. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I will show you how can you shop or order from Nike.com. First, as you have to open any browser on your system. After you open browser, in the search field, you'll have to search for Nike.com. After you search for that, you'll be able to see official interface of Nike website. From here, as usual, you can go the option search icon at the top. Simply from there, you can find your product. Like I'm here searching for shoes. After you find your product here, you'll have to just select that. For me, I am randomly clicking on this. Like after you verify or choose your product with the price, you'll have to scroll down and you'll have to just select your size. After you select your size, tap on the option add to bag, and from here simply you can go with the option view bag. From the section you can as usual confirm the shipping location or your any prices. You can also go the option promo code, like if you have it. After you check all of the condition from here, tap on the option go to checkout, and from there you can also go with the option guest checkout or member checkout. If you have any membership, you can go with the option membership account or guest checkout. Simply you can pay with using Apple Pay or PayPal account. Choose your payment method, and after you made a payment method and add your location there, you'll be able to shop or buy product from Nike website. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.